All right, I'm hearing everything could happen at once. Everything could fall out at once, all right? Or could be spelled out at once, all right? And so if you've been trying to figure out what's your next moves, it'll happen suddenly, all right? Quick, back to back. All right, it'll kind of fall into place. I'm here like the domino effect, all right? And so your plans or your decisions is going to be mapped out to you clearly, all right? It'll all start to make sense to you, all right? You'll finally leave behind any regrets or it shoulda, coulda, woulda type of mentality, all right? Or spirit is encouraging you to release that, all right? We may all be on different timelines or the same timeline, right? If we see it that way. So this could be past, present, or future, my loves, all right? But the cards at hand that you got out are the Magician, the Queen of Cups, and the Ten of Cups. I get heavy one. All right, so maybe 1111, or you are the one, not the two or the three. All right, so somebody could be making you a top priority, or you want to make somebody a top priority, or a place or a thing or a situation, or you could be making yourself a top priority, or it could be everything I just listed, right? Yeah, I see you stepping into your power with that Emperor card. All right, so we got Gemini, we got Aries, we got water energy, Cancer, Pisces, even Scorpio as well too. Yeah, know that you're covered, that you're protected by the divine, all right? You're cloaked in God's grace, whatever that may. I've never said anything like that before, but that's the phrase that's coming. All right, so if you have any fear, use discernment, all right? Make sure that you're not in harm's way in any way, right? But know that you're covered, that you're protected, my loves, all right? That the wheel is turning in your favor. You're leaving behind this shadow, this darkness energy, or you're learning how to work with the darkness, the shadow energy to actually propel you in life, all right? You no longer have fear in that. It's a lot of beauty in that when you finally realize what that is and how to work with it, right? And to exist with it and to not fear it. Yeah, whatever you've been planning, my loves, know that it's going to growing or it's going to start growing, or it already has. I'm hearing that it already has, all right? And if I didn't already say by Gemini, boom, you know what I mean? Like you're going to see it blooming, all right, during springtime, all right? Heavy emphasis on spring, all right? I see things blossoming before March 21st, 22nd, and then going up into Gemini season, but it's going to be happening now, all right? But you have to let go of that deep regret, all right? Shoulda, coulda, woulda type of energy. That's actually holding you back, my loves, all right? Let me go ahead and get a lesson card. The cards you got out, my loves, is happiness. Is holding you back from happiness. And then failure. Don't miss an opportunity, all right? But then at the same time, if what's for you can never miss you, right? So you didn't really miss anything because there's no mistakes, right? As long as you see it that way, and as long as you see the lesson in adversity, right? And know that everything always serves your highest good, every person, every place, everything, every situation, right? And it ultimately brings you back to love, all right? Which is your higher self, all right? Which stems within and then flows outward, all right? So it always leads you back to where you need to be, which is within yourself, all right? Finding home within yourself, right, my loves? All right, let me go ahead and get one more card for you. I keep on saying that, right? It's from a different deck, though, all right? You got a heartbreak, yeah, all right? So coming back to self after heartbreak, that could be a romantic relationship, but we all know that we can experience heartbreak in so many different facets and so many different aspects of our life, right? All right. And so you're no longer feeling lost. You're no longer mourning, or spirit is encouraging you to step out of that energy, all right? And to step into a higher vibration, all right? A vibration of passion, a vibration of living to live life, all right? Living or loving to live life, I should say, all right? I see a passion ignited, not only within you, but with somebody else, all right? So this could be a rekindle for some of you guys, or this could be a brand new connection, all right? Know that it'll be fiery, passionate. It'll be an instant chemistry, all right? You've met your match, or you've met your equal, all right? Enjoy it, my loves, all right? Have fun with it, all right? Know that you deserve it, all right? So enjoy it. It's a blessing from the universe. That is what I have for you, my love. Until next time.